Welcome back to Rust Automobile, where today we'll take you inside the stunning 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This revitalized beauty blends classic charm with modern innovation, delivering a car that turns heads while staying true to its roots. Buckle up as we explore every detail, from its captivating design to cutting-edge performance and tech. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is a tribute to one of Volkswagen's most beloved coupes of the 1950s and 60s. It instantly evokes nostalgia with its teardrop silhouette and flowing lines. But this isn't just a copy-and-paste homage. Volkswagen has revitalized the iconic design with contemporary elements that demand attention. The exterior is crafted using lightweight aluminum panels, bringing a modern edge to the classic shape. Sleek LED matrix headlights echo the rounded forms of the original but add futuristic sophistication. Subtle chrome accents adorn the bumpers, windows, and beltline, paying tribute to the past while still feeling fresh. The minimalist Volkswagen logo on the grille softly illuminates when unlocked, adding a touch of modern elegance. Whether parked or in motion, the Karmann Ghia looks like it belongs in an art museum. Beneath that stunning exterior lies your choice of two innovative powertrains. The first is a fully electric option with a dual-motor setup, offering all-wheel drive and an impressive 330 horsepower. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, delivering refined performance that's ideal for everyday road use. The second is a plug-in hybrid that pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 250 horsepower with around 40 miles of all-electric range. Both models feature regenerative braking, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes that let you tailor the ride to your preference. Whether you're after eco-friendly commuting or spirited weekend drives, this car delivers a versatile performance package. Inside, the Karmann Ghia blends mid-century charm with futuristic tech in a way that feels seamless. The rounded air vents, chrome-ringed gauges, and dual-tone color schemes harken back to the original coupe. But alongside these vintage touches are modern conveniences that offer luxury and practicality. Dominating the center of the dashboard is a 12.9-inch floating touchscreen powered by Volkswagen's next-generation infotainment system, MIB4. It's responsive, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Beneath the screen is a slim strip of haptic climate controls with tactile feedback that feels satisfying to use. As for pricing, the 2026 Karmann Ghia starts at a competitive $39,000 for the plug-in hybrid base model. The fully electric version begins at $47,500, with top trims including premium features reaching just over $55,000. Given the car's unique blend of design, performance, and advanced tech, Volkswagen has positioned it as both accessible and aspirational, a balance that's sure to intrigue a wide range of buyers. So, who is the 2026 Karmann Ghia for? It's perfect for those who appreciate great design, balanced performance, and a car that stands out without being overly flashy. This isn't about setting speed records or dominating racetracks. It's about the joy of driving something truly special, thoughtfully engineered with both heritage and the future in mind.